Obviously, being sailing Soluna crew, we've chosen to go out when it's 25 knots because why not?
We need to test the sails and see if they work. So today is the perfect day. We haven't used these sails for 4 months.
And after everything that's gone wrong with the boat, today's the moment we find out if they still work.
Because if they don't, we're not going anywhere. This is one of the final steps towards getting Soluna back out there.
We bought the boat 5 months ago with no experience at all. We tried to teach ourselves how to sail and we broke practically everything along the way.
Then we spent a few weeks trying to fix everything and now we're finally here.
The problem is we're still not 100% sure if everything's working properly, so we need to see how the sails go before we go too far.
It's been a few months since we last did this and honestly we don't really know what's going to happen.
This is where our master plan's gonna really come together or something's gonna go terribly wrong.
Tazzy is ready to go. She already sat in her seat. This is where Tazzy likes to sit when we go sailing. She we can see some fishes today.
What do you think, boss? Hey? You ready to hit the tracks?
Now we're going sailing, but the problem is we have a new battery. Something's draining it, so it keeps going flat. So we're gonna put an isolator in. For now, big boy Xavier, thank you very much for lending us your charger. It was dead flat when we received it, but nonetheless, it's helped us out. I'm gonna jump start it now. We're gonna start the engine and we're gonna go sailing. Maybe not working properly. Nothing's ever easy, is it? She's running. Soluna is alive.
Maybe I should turn the depth sounder on, that's probably good. Have you got navionics? Oh, he's getting changed. We don't have navionics. That's retarded, isn't it? Depth sounder on. This is yet to be painted, as you can see, and we've got new stickers, so can't wait to do that, but sailing's more important right now. Let's actually have a look and see if we've got navionics, because that's probably a little bit of an issue if we don't. Here we go, look at this. This is where we are. Early Beach, this is where we are. So we're probably going to go for a little, well, I have absolutely no clue where we're going to go. Obviously going to go out of this, no, not that way, we're going to go out this way. Out here. And it obviously depends on the wind where we're going to go. I'm not your wind gal, that is Danny, so hopefully he's read it because I haven't.
The sail bag is getting open and we're going to see how much water's in there because it's been the wet season and we haven't opened it since we put the boat in the hard stand, which was months ago. So here we go. Oh, the zip works, that's good. Oh my god, there's a sail in there.
This is our first big, well, not a big sail, this is going to be a baby one, but look, the ropes are off, ready to come out.
Oh, we're leaving.
Right, see you in about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, maybe less, maybe more, who knows.
Bro, what are we doing? I'm just up there, here. How did you not hear that?
Not quite sure what's going on here. Oh, this is kind of scary.
Right now, go. Right, see that? It's stuck on the jump thing. So drop it a little bit. Right now, go. Here's the boss man. What are we doing now?
We are going to put out the front sail. Okay, so now what?
Oh my god, there's a sail up and we're sailing. See these, the wind's coming from that way. You want it to push into the wind. You want it to be on the other side of the pole.
So the wind's pushing past the pole.
So this side.
I can go away now.
You can?
Yeah, let's go away. Oh, now we're moving. Oh, that'll do. Tie her
Leaning.
off. Tie her off. Yeah! We're sailing here. This is what I want to hear. You! This is just open the sails. We're going 6 knots. We're leaning 6 degrees. We're leaning 6 degrees. We're leaning 6 degrees.
I've ever done in my life. Look at the cleat that I've just done. Wait, shh, shh, shh. Can you hear it?
You didn't tell me what it was, did you?
No, I didn't. Autopilot. We haven't tried the autopilot in a while.
Yeah, that's fine. We're on 5 knots.
Oops.
It's not bad.
This is my favourite thing to do. It's been so long. And that was pretty easy. We did it, Daniel.
Yeah! The sail looks quite good actually. 20 seconds.
We're about to go. Tazzy, hold on.
Right, now point that way. That's fine.
Right.
Exactly the way you're pointing.
Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time? No, it's not beer o'clock. It is time. No, it's time to put the trawling rod out.
Oh, today we have Mr. Pink Little Squiddy Man. Bye bye.
Our very first sail when we came down from Bowen to Airlie, that was a mission and a half. That was an 8-hour sail and we caught the biggest tuna. So hopefully that's going to be our luck because we haven't caught a tuna again since. Oh, we have on a line, but...
Can we just like admire the nice new line we have on our rod? Thank you very much, Tack.
I'm also going to point out something to show how retarded you are. We are, just in case you didn't know that already. So we have been using this trawling rod, right? And we had it in the wrong way. So when we were trying to bring a fish in, I think it was actually that tuna maybe.
Yeah, it was.
But, oh my gosh, it's really funny. But we cut the whole fishing rod with the wire because we didn't have it set up properly. So it's going to be a good day today.
I'm going to pull the sail out.
Go on then.
Whoa, big wave, Tazzy, look. Whoa, big wave.
These counterbalance the mast so it gives it strength. That's what the job of these are.
Okay.
So you always do these lines the opposite of what your sail's done, because obviously the wind's pulling the mast over that side. Now, what about it?
It's a bit folded at the bottom.
Yeah, because you've got to reefing it. Just hit 8 knots! Woo-hoo-hoo!
What is going on with that rope? We need to get some new ones of those, I think.
The gusts are pretty strong. See, this is the fun part that I like. Now I get to adjust the sails and figure out what works and what doesn't. Oh, look at them. They're perfect. The tops you are. That's just the bottom, which I don't know.
Do you know how retarded we are, right? We put the fridge on the floor because we were scared that it was going to fall off here. Ignore the mess, still haven't sorted everything. But now we can't access the bilge. It's getting a bit windy out here.
This is exactly what I wanted to do.
Well, see, have you noticed how now the front is heavier, we get more water on the front?
Yeah, but it cuts through the waves better. Have a look, let me just set the autopilot. That's been happening for a while. Steady 5 knots, 4.5 knots, and 2 reefs in the main because we're being safe today, and we've got a full head sail out. So we are winning. But oh, I definitely have lost my sea legs. I'll say that for sure. I don't have my sea legs anymore, Sarah. I nearly fell off the boat. Johnny, what are you doing down there?
I'm setting up my camera. I haven't used this one for so long. I mean, I used it once in the marina, but it's not really the same as when you're out on the water. So, speaker is going on, camera is going in.
Beer is going in, it's not there yet. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Hey.
We're back.
Woo! Sailing Soluna's back on the water, so everyone take your boats out because you're in danger. Right, time to chop that sail. Right, put your cameras down. I'm going to pull that sail in a bit.
Which one?
Right, the front sail. I'm going to point into the wind a bit. I'm not letting this off. I don't know how to go, the camera's on. I'm going down. No, you need to winch it. Right, just tie this one off. Give me that rope, tie this one off. Right, that's enough now, so you can pull the other one in fully. Good job. Nice. Yep. Keep going. Good girl, that's sick. You're really well. Really well. Really well, girl. Really well. Really well. Good job. Right, now tie this one off and have a break. Right, sail until you're ready to go again, and then we'll pull the rest of it down. You're really well. Do you want a hand? You're right. You're going to come round and tie it off onto that cleat. You need to tie it off first and then have a rest.
That was hard.
High five, that was really good. This is what we need to do. Probably not the first time, but this is how we need to get better. But
I need a drink.
woo! We need to turn the camera around for a while. That's got to be scared because it just took off and I saw the tail in the water outside. Yeah.
We're back.
We're back! Yeah. We will. I'm going to wait for you to get your arms back, and then we're going to have to tack, I'd say. We're going to have to.
Now time to put it in.
If you're feeling up for it, that red rope needs to be pulled in here and wrapped around the winch a couple times.
Right, ready?
Yep.
Don't slip.
No, I'm letting it out.
Nearly there or not?
No, you're ages. I haven't got ages, but you got it, yeah. Right, I think that gap point is a bit more. Right, we can tie that on, and we're going to have to do a tack. Right, we're going to have to. We need that sail on the way back anyway, it's fine.
Shall I tie it then?
Tie it off, tie that one off, yeah. It's at a good stage where we can tack here, which is nice. Right, so now where's your big handle? Put your big handle on your other winch. And what we're going to do is I'm going to turn and you're going to pull the fat rope. And if you can't pull it,
Pull it
you're
in.
pinching it. This one. Yep. So right now, you want to undo your cleat.
Sure about this?
Yep, I'm sure.
So I'm pulling it in.
Yep. Now undo your cleat, you can pull it in. There's no tension on yours yet. like that. Ready? I'm gonna turn.
I can't, I'm gonna have to winch it in.
It's gonna come straight your way. I'm turning.
Yeah.
Turning. Go now, go now. No, 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 pull, pull, it's loose, pull. There you go. Pull. You're right, you're right. You're right, you're right. That's you, that's you. You just did it. You just did it. That's fine. Fire off.
I'm gonna get some guns from this. It's so hard. Tie? Tie it off?
We just tacked. I could just got an island by the thermos.
Poor baby. I really can't do cleats anymore. What is going on here? Sorry about that, guys, but you're gonna have to deal with it right now because I have bigger problems.
6 knots. Tack straight into 6 knots.
6.8. Oh, nice hair.
High five. Turn the cameras off.
Off.
Yeah, I need to talk to you.
We did a tack, right? We haven't sailed for so long. Tell you what, watch this. They're gonna grow.
Season 2 is going to be us pushing ourselves.
That's really scary.
Turn it up, boy.
This is my favourite song to sail to.
Oh hi, the camera filmed something nice.
Wow.
Holy shit. Tap it. 1.
Stop.
Yep. Oh no!
You said unwrap it.
Wrap it, unwrap it by 1.
I did.
What are we doing?
We're pirates.
Army hearties, over the port now!
Where's me rum?
Did you cue the Pirates of the Caribbean song again? Army hearties, head for port! Oh, one more time, one more time, one more time. Can do it one more time.
No, we're not doing it 3.
I'm a pirate now!
So our problem was that we have something going on with our battery, right? There's something which is draining our battery. So our start battery doesn't start, even though it was fully charged, it's brand new. There's something that's draining it. We don't know what's going on. So we've got a jump start, and jump start, their work. We did it.
See how this is all kinked and it's been sitting there for ages? When you do it and it goes like that, see how it twists? Look at it. You got to twist
Right,
it.
let's just focus on getting in the marina, shall we?
I don't need you to tell me what to do.
Whilst he's telling me what to do.
I'm showing you a trick.
Welcome to Relations with...
I'm showing you a trick that it was handy.
Welcome to Relationships with Danny, old pal.
Get off. Get off. That was so much fun.
That was fun.